Hello, my name is Tony Blatnick. I'm the Director of Manufacturing Operations at MirrorMate Frames. We utilize Lean and Six Sigma in many different ways. We've made a number of process improvements to increase our production by almost 100% with the same 4 people we started with 7 years ago. We have Kanban systems throughout the plant so that we never run out of product, whether it's packaging materials or frame materials. We've made improvements with our supply chain to improve our quality standards across the board. We also have a defective stock program where we get credits for defective stock that we cannot use for framing. As we continue our lean journey, my manufacturing team is self-directed and interacts with management as we strive to improve and service our customer base.